Okay, this is my first video. It's an everyday carry review on what I carry. Okay, so the first item is my iPhone 5 and it's the case for it. I carry it. Next I have my wallet and I have this key card. It's a tool. It's got a wrench on it. It's got a cap lifter, a ruler, a can opener. It's got a wrench right here, and up here it's sharpened. Next item is my pocket watch. I carry that with me every day. Next, my keys. I carry these everywhere I go. Use it to open garage doors, open my house door, all that stuff. Next, pocket knife. I have about close to 50 pocket knives and I carry one every single day. I have a case for it, carry it, and carry a sharpening stone with me. Sharpen it with, obviously. Next, carry pen, carry pencil, and I carry a highlighter. I carry a notepad to write down all kind of stuff. Last item is a compass, in case I ever get lost. That actually has happened before, so always have a compass on me. Well, that's my review of my everyday carry. Leave it down in the comments what you thought of the video. Put some future topic videos in, and I'll review them. Thanks for watching.